Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we are installing a water heater in a school bus remodel. There's the water heater, and there's where it's going to go. So we've got to figure out where we're going to put it exactly. We need to lay out, and we got to build a wooden box to put this water heater in. But then I went to fireproof it, or fire retardant it and waterproof it. So I think I'll take the wooden box and I'll wrap it all around and kill mat. And if any kind of water leaks, it should run out, shouldn't destroy the wood, and hopefully it'll be a fire retardant, fire protection. So I'll show you how we do it. Let's see. I need another piece of scrap wood. Piece of wood.
We can get a lot done when it's like in the 30s at least. And at least it's sunny today.
This won't be cut then. So I just cut this here, but not this. And I'll put this side here, so wire would be here, the bed would be here. Gives all this room for our plumbing. That'll work. Okay. So from there I start. Let's fill them out real quick. Okay. See how it looks out there. So, this is our hull. I'll clean up the foam around there from the outside. And then we'll start building the box. Okay, so now we are building the box. So we got the hole cut out inside of the bus. That's what it looks like. Then what we'll do is we'll run our ply up to here. Heavy purdy. There's the box. Now I gotta build support for it. Be pretty easy. I'm just gonna cut a couple pieces of plywood out on the table saw, double stack them. Oh, nothing roll underneath this thing, just sitting there. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. I cut a little bit out right here. This corner I cut out a little bit. Okay, just modification here. Got notch in it. Oh, I cut on the right side. There it is. There's the box. Perfect. 2 pieces, 11 by 14 and a half. My battery died. Okay, this is what I have. I got the box. I can get this squared up a little bit. Then we're gonna take and put kill mat in there, seal it up. I clean this off real quick, clean this up a little bit, kill mat it, and stick in the, I'll probably put some butyl tape on there, I'm thinking. I got some butyl tape I'll throw on there. This up first. And then, so I'm going to grab the outside edges, and then I'll put this on the inside around it. One side, do that bottom, and then we'll get the beetle tape on it. This beetle tape, then we're throwing the water heater. Go outside and do it from outside, so I haven't been down so far.
Mm-hmm. You can just reach in.
Yeah. See how this fits real quick.